I'm sorry about that. Yeah, next time, we'll take care of you better, okay? All right now. You have a nice day. Girl, do you see that? I was trying to do everything I can do to please her. She's still not even happy. Oh my God, are you okay, Mimi? That client was being a bitch, isn't she? She's crazy. Yeah, I feel sorry for you, girl. The whole time I was just sitting there just wishing that girl would leave already. What a bitch. You okay, Mimi? Oh my God.講到nó khó lắm á, khó.講到nó khó lắm. Khó. Girl, you don't need clients like her. You don't need clients like her. That's crazy, right?